Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and I got a cool one for you. A 2022 Wagoneer Series 3 4x4. Now, this RV has dealer-installed items. They sent it to an upfitter, and I'll walk you through what they put on it. For additional information or to arrange a test drive, contact Evan. His contact information is listed below. This is a big RV. Wow. And talk about high end and the fit and finish. These are really, really nice. This new Wagoneer is nice. So here's one of the items that is a dealer install. These are powder coated wheels. So it came with the wheels. They had them powder coated, and they also had 3M FX premium window tint, custom painted calipers, powder coated wheels, as I mentioned, chrome delete, and then they had the blackout package. So all the chrome they deleted, and then they blacked out all of the chrome. So really, really a unique vehicle. You're not going to see another one around town like this. And the other great thing about this is Lou Fusz, as a dealer group, has their own upfitting company. It's VIP. And this vehicle was taken to VIP, and all these goodies were put on it. So it also has the customer preferred package 22N, which gives you the front passenger interactive display, and I'll show you that in a minute. Here you can see the power side mirrors, the black trim roof rail. You can also see the full-length running boards. There you can see the 20-inch tires. So those are 20-inch wheels as well. And then the American flag on the doors. And one of the things I really like about Jeep is they have the opposite flag, or the flag facing the opposite way. Then there's something else that's cool about Jeep. They put little hidden items throughout their vehicles. As we dive into the interior, this is a 3-row unit, so it's an 8-passenger. There you can see Alpine stereo system. There are 9 speakers. So you have 8 passengers, 9 speakers. Who gets the extra speaker? I guess it's up for grabs. Here you can see the 3rd row seat, and I'll show you those are power seats. So when we get to the back end, I'll show you that. And these are power seats as well. The power flip up out of the way. And then also there's an air vent right there for the back passengers. So you have heated front seats, heated and vented front seats, and then heated 2nd row seats. You have climate control that you can control from back here, and I'll show you more of that in a moment as we tool around this vehicle. LED lighting in the headliner that's very task oriented. So if you want to read a book or magazine, an article, here we have 8-way power seats. So driver and passenger have 8-way power seats. And as I mentioned, heated and vented seats. Here's a look from the front seat back through the 2nd row and into the 3rd row. And then you also have the center stack right there with a 10.25-inch screen, and then you have a entertainment screen for the passenger. So here's a great look from the 2nd row, and you have your additional power ports. So you have your USB and then the universal, as well as residential, and a cigarette plug for 12 volt. And then you can control your heated seats from back here, as well as your climate control. So you can turn it up, turn it down, as well as have it on your feet, and then you can also control it and shoot it up through the vents. There's your great look of the 10.25-inch touchscreen, and I'll show you all of that in a moment. This vehicle has the Wagoneer Client Services, which is a product that's like Jeep Wave, but it's for the Wagoneer, and it's available in all 50 states. LED headlamps, automatic high beam. As we tilt back and show the headliner and drop back down and get a great look at the dash. So as we dive into the driver's side, there's another look at the Alpine stereo speakers. You have memory seats, power seats, 8-way power, heated memory, or heated and vented seats. You can control your headrest, move it forward or back based upon your needs by a push of a button. Here's your center console, your USB and additional universal power port, some additional storage, and I'll show you all that in a moment. Power tilt telescoping steering column with fingertip controls, automatic headlamps, as I mentioned, and then your memory settings for your seat. So power door locks, power side mirrors, power windows, memory setting, leather, heated leather steering wheel, and then you've got plenty of fingertip controls as well as that wood trim. I love that wood trim across the dash, across the doors, and then you can see it in the steering wheel as well. And then you can turn on your heated and your vented seat, your heated steering wheel, your vented seats, your heated seats. Not as responsive as I would like to see it. Of course, maybe I'm just not doing it right. And then this screen is a little bit slow in the response. But if you're used to it, it's probably no big deal. There's the passenger screen that I was mentioning earlier. And we have navigation, as you can see here. And again, this is a 10 1/4 inch screen. You have backup camera, navigation. Here's your full complement of apps. You can sync your cell phone with it as well. Additional power ports there, additional storage there. You have your key fob here, really a nice key fob, nice weight to it. Wagoneer, remote start, and then you have your level and your drive mode select, your rock, your sand, your snow, auto, and sport. And the sport is really nice. I was just driving it on the parking lot, but the sound is really nice, and it's got a lot of get up and go. Your cup holders, and then there's the same wood trim that I was talking about in the steering wheel across the dash and then across the doors. Very, very large center armrest, center console. I think you could probably drop a bowling ball down in there. Very nice feel to it. And then your glove box with your owner's manuals. There you can see the Alpine stereo system, or Alpine stereo speakers. And again, there are 9 speakers. Your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, as I mentioned. So here's a great shot, 3/4 shot from the back. And then we have the power tailgate. You can see your backup camera there. Your power lift gate. And again, this is a 3-row vehicle, so it's an 8-passenger. Your carpeted floor mats. And then you have your electronic, that's an additional 12-volt power port. You have your electronic seat control for the 3rd row seat. You have D-rings and more Alpine speakers. As we look down the 3 rows, and then by a push of a button, it's the electronic seat, so you can lower the seat down. It doesn't drop down, it lowers down by a motor. And then naturally, same button, or a different button, but same concept. Push the button and raise it up. Your additional power ports, your additional cup holders. Wanted to pause the seat a second and show you that. And very responsive on the seats. And then a power lift gate, and down goes Fraser as your lift gate goes down. And then as far as your engine is concerned, it's a 5.7 liter V8 with e-torque, 392 horsepower, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, 15 city, 20 highway, 7,400 pounds of towing capacity. So you can really have some fun. And then all of your fluid levels, you can see right here, are easy access by your yellow caps. So it lets you know all your maintenance as we button things up and get another 3/4 shot from the front. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.